Here we got a new American Standard Silver unit. This replaced a 2005 Goodman CKL like these right here. This appears to be an R-454B unit. So I'll go down. Okay, this does use a new refrigerant, R-454B, 2025. And I'm guessing these aren't. Alright. Okay, these are still silver units. Just turned on. And it is a straight cool unit. Still got all these other ones you can see. There's a new American Standard. I'm guessing the old CKL was replaced because it ran in like really mild conditions and it seemed to be in the leastest shape out of all these units. Like it wasn't really in like the best shape compared to the others. It's rather quiet compared to the others, and yeah, it ran in really mild conditions. So I got this new American Standard.